Now one point. Why is Atma the nature of joy? What is the definition of joy I gave? Anybody remembers? What's the definition of sorrow? Only others are only seeing. Sorrow, definition of sorrow, sense of contraction of yourself is called sorrow. I have become smaller. And what is joy? Sense of sense of expansion in self, not only expansion. Building expansion is not joy. Body expansion is not joy. Okay. Our body has contracted, it is not sorrow. Those who are weight obsessed people, 1 kilo they lose, they are so happy. Foolishness. Anyway. So sa modate modaniyagam hi labdhva. Labdhva means gyatva. He knows that. What he knows? That this self is there, self alone is there. Why? Because there is nothing cutting it. Why the self is of the nature of joy? Why the self is nature of the joy? Because it cannot be cut. Somebody is unhappy because his desire has been cut. I wanted to become doctor and I could not pass the entrance. I am very sad today. Why? My desire is obstructed. Why? Never mind. Again you try. Arey, what try? Now they are saying you go for what is it called? Ayurveda. I am going to India for studying Ayurveda. But here there is no Ayurvedic college. No. So I am going to Ayurveda. But I wanted to study allopathic. So what happened? I could not qualify itself. I was asked to go away. Go away from where? From that entrance, don't ask too many questions. And I said, okay. So, already I am so sad, you are making me sadder. Okay. So, now my desire is there. Or whom I liked a lot. I liked Mr. X a lot. Who? Who's a Mr. X? What happened to me? He was speaking very nicely yesterday. Till yesterday, he was so lovingly speaking. From today morning, he is not speaking. Why? No, somebody must have said something against me, therefore he is not speaking. So what is the matter? I am very sad. I am trying to again ask him what is the matter. But I feel very lost today. I don't know why he is not speaking. Why are you so sad? Because your attached object is not giving you the response as you want. There are 3-4 causes of sadness. First thing, unfulfilled selfish desire. Number is attached object, you are not getting response. Third thing, whom you don't like, he is around you. Whom you don't like, he is hanging around you only. Instead of being somewhere else where he is asked to go, he is hanging around you. Now everybody is. And the problem is, he is very happy. He is laughing a lot. Third thing. And fourth thing, sadness is, I wanted a place and somebody insulted me. When you have the knowledge of the self, there is nothing other existing other than yourself. So you cannot lose that self. And it is biggest. And then he says, Vipratagam sadmanatiketasam manne. I think sad means palace. So that Brahm, the palace of Brahm is, the door towards the palace of Brahm is opened for you. Don't think there is a Brahma's palace. Only meaning is, it is a figurative meaning is there. So whole door is, that means you are towards the knowledge of the self. Almost you are having the knowledge of the self. You are almost there. Some people ask, where are you? Yeah, I am coming here. And he is coming, he is late. I said, hello, where are you? I am almost there. No, tell me, where are you? RK Khan. No, it will take 5 minutes. 5 minutes, RK Khan. 5 minutes it will take. Some are very clever. Bole, I am almost there, I am seeing you. Nachiketa, you are almost on the knowledge of the self. This completes what? 4 things. What 4 things? Shishya Stuti, Guru Stuti, Vidya Stuti, Moksha Stuti. Now comes the very important mantra. I'm sorry to say, but you have to by heart it. But I had to by heart that 1.2.1, 1.2.2. I'm struggling with that. Anyat Shreya, Anyat Utaiva Preya, Te Ubhe Nanarthe Purushagam Sanitaha. After that, Api Jivitam Sarvamalpameva. See, mixing is good in film songs. Please don't mix the shloka. This is a very important mantra. This is quoted in Brahma Sutra by Bhagwan Shankaracharya. And you have to by heart it. Please repeat after me. Anyatra dharmad, anyatra dharmad. Anyatra smat krita kritata. Anyatra bhutacha bhavyacha. Yattat pashyasi tatvada. Again, anyatra dharmad, anyatra dharmad. Anyatra smat krita kritata. Anyatra bhutacha bhavyacha. Yattat pashyasi tatvada. Nachiketa said, Bhai Gurudev, you are sometime praising me, sometime praising Guru, sometime praising Vidya, sometime praising Moksha. What happened to my question? I was in Calcutta. So somebody said, before praying, before eating, we should do prayers. He said, do this prayer, 15th chapter, then then after Brahmarpanam, then there is one Annapurna Stotra is there. You should do that. That person said, when will I eat? If I am praying only for half an hour, when will I eat? Nachiketa said, Gurudev, I asked that question. What was the question? Anybody remembers that? No, what is the exact mantra? No, I'm not asking number. What is the mantra? Anybody by heart? Yeyam prete. Please open that book. 20th mantra. What is the page number? 12. 41. Acha, together we will chant. I will not see. I will chant without seeing. Yeyam prete vichikitsa manushye astityeke nayamastiti chaike etat vidyam anushishtastvayaham varanamesha varastritiyah. If you remember, what a joy is there. You don't need to open the book. Well, but I'm just starting, Swamiji. I don't know which mantra is there. Please bear with us. In few years, I'll also by heart. Give us some time, Somebody. Let's check. So it is said here, Anyatra dharmat, Anyatra dharmat. What is said here? Please see, very beautiful mantras. Nachiketa has that is called paraphrasing. I hope you know this word. Paraphrasing is what? What is already there. He is putting it in some other words, making it more clearer. Paraphrasing it. What is that paraphrasing is that? He said, tell me, Gurudev. Anyatra dharmat, I'll just literally translate, then I'll come back to it. What is other than dharma, other than adharma? Oh. Number 2, this is one thing. Anyatrasmat krata kratat. What is other than cause and other than effect? Number 3. What is other than past and other than future? These 3 things. This question has 3 parts. What is other than dharma and other than adharma? Number 1. Other than cause and effect. Number 2. And other than past and present. Number 3. I got it, no? 3 things. Yattat pashyasi. What you see, please tell it to me. A very, very serious question he has made it now. Not that he had 2 questions. This is not the 4th question. The 3rd question alone he has rephrased it because only 3 boons were allowed. He can't ask another boon. Already he got one additional boon, he got bonus boon, he already got. He cannot use some other boon now. Now I seek your total attention, not little attention, total attention. Okay, I'm giving attention. Dekho, what is meaning of dharma? Dharma means, in dharma you have to become a doer of dharma. You know, dharma comes to whom? Dharma comes to the doer. Just supposing 2-year-old boy is there. Has any duty? 2-year-old boy has any duty or not? No duty is there. Why? Because doer has not come up in him. No duty he has. He need not, he can lie down, he can sleep. He is not obligated to do something special. He can eat, he can jump, he can shout, he can scream. They say terrible too. He can laugh, he can cry. Mother cannot say, today why did not you pray? Praying is your duty. Oh, nahi, chota hai, it's too small to do anything. Well, why didn't you go for satsang? You cannot. You can't say to that. Or you say, Swamiji has come, why didn't you offer pranam? He doesn't know anything. He's too small to do anything. Why? Why is he small? Doer is not there. And in between, he can give one slap to the mother by mistake. All mothers have got sufficient slaps. And they pluck the whole hair also. Although they are small, but their grip is very terrible. Grip and nails and teeth. If you put your finger in their mouth, you will have it. I don't know whether you have seen or not. You must have seen human. They appear very small. You can try. They appear very small. But they'll bite so badly, you'll literally scream after that. This is their only duty. They will lie down, sometimes roll, sometimes cry. Why? Doer is not developed. Person is 25. Duty is there. All duties are surrounding him. He can't lie down and put finger in his mouth and put the teether in his mouth. And he can't slap the mother. It will be big adharma. Achha? And he can't tell the mother, please change my pant every time. Or put, what is it called, diaper. Diaper also come in all sizes. So he can't say, put diaper, mummy. What are you doing? I'm lying down. How old are you? 25 running. Now why? Why your duty is there? Doer has come up. Duty is there. My 25 mother will say you should have started earning. When I was 25, I had 3 children. You know that. And you are still unmarried. And who will marry a person like you? Studying and not doing anything, just wasting your time. Wandering around here and there. You have no sense also. You have not applied for that job also. I put you in the university, you failed. In BSc you started doing PhD there. You are taking 5 years in doing that. PhD should be after postgraduate. They fail also by the way. They fail in BSc, no? Huh? Too many students they fail. Achha. Then supplementary is also. ड्यूटी आ गई उसके लिए. डूअर आ गया. अब you are here because you have doer. Duties are surrounding what? Go to for lunch. When? Done. Go for lunch. And 15 chapter you have to chant. Arre yaar, 15 chapter. Also here I chant, there I chant. I think I'll chant, die while chanting only. How much chanting I do? Morning Guru Padka Stotra. Kya? Then I have to come for Sanskrit also. I want to rest one day. Total rest. 100% rest should be there. Every time Sanskrit class. Then she will ask, you come in on the board and write Pa. What? Is this Pa? What is that? Pa. Let me give the job. This happens, no? So you write. And you with the style, you do like this. And you put like this, one line like this. As if you are going a modern art. And then you put like this. And then you like. Very nice is there. Pa with the mob. Only you had put some knot there. Some knot you have put. It was not Pa. What was that? Huh? Ma. Knot bana diya usme. He put a knot there at the bottom. Then again. So then she was so many times I explained to you. Is this the Pa or Ma? No, but this is Pa. See your copy. Okay. I opened my Pa work. I saw, sorry, it is Ma. I am forgetting, I'm losing confidence now. What happened? I think I can't do it. Why? Every time I make a mistake. Pa work I get confused. Pa, Pa, Ba, Pa all appear same. Pa. Ka, all appear same to me. Is it necessary to attend the Sanskrit class? Yes, why? Your duty is there. Oh my God. I can't miss it. No, miss only on 2 reasons. When you have a severe heart attack or lose motion. In both, rest is advised. Otherwise, you have to attend. You have to come. Why? Because you have signed it that I will follow all the rules. If you remember, it is my duty. Of course, I can't miss the class. No, you have to learn Sanskrit. You know, no way out. And evening class also. Yes, Aarti also, Ramayana also. Oh my God. Acha, for me, duties there. 100 duties. 100. You live one day, you live my life. Then you will understand what it means. One day you believe my mind. From morning, early morning, my day starts. whether I am sleeping at 11 or 12, running there. Puja karo. Then do your own meditation, etc. Then class is there. By the time class is there, I talked on phone before coming for 50 minutes to somebody. And please, how to explaining करते जा रहे हैं. This is like that, that is like that. क्यों? Duty है आपकी. That person is nobody. Seeker only. This sadhana problem, sir. How can I leave somebody like that? To be duty, right? Then class is there. Then somebody is coming at 1:45. Acha, to meet. Then body also, you should walk also slightly, you should be fine. Then do some yoga also. Then committee matter, trust matter. Duty, of course. Otherwise, mail is not going because you are not seeing the mail. Okay, committee matter, what is the matter there? Then evening class is there. Then again my puja is there. Anywhere doer is there, duty will be there, sir. Whether African is there or Latin is there or anybody Mexican is there or South Indian is there or North Indian is there. Dharma catches the one who has doer. Got my point? Adharma also is for one who has doer. If doer is not there, adharma is also not there. Because you did not do the dharma, therefore what you are supposed to do, you did not do that. And therefore, adharma will be catching the doer. Bole aapne adharma kar diya. You didn't serve your parent? No. Then you are doing adharma. Adharma, matra devo bhava, pitra devo bhava. You have to serve your parent. Do you touch the feet of your father, mother? When? Every day. Every day. Every day, no. Then when do you do? Diwali, Dashera. Once in a year, twice in a year. But when I go for some exam also. Adharma. Adharma. Why? Garbad kar diya aapne. Why didn't you touch the feet? Why didn't you touch the feet? No, but you are a son or you are a father of your son or son of your father? Eh? You are a father of your father or a son of your father? Who? Me. I'm the son of. How can I be the father of my father? I'm not the grandfather. I am the son of my father. Then you have to touch the feet. If I don't touch, then you'll get bad fruit. Simple. This adharma aa gaya. Wherever doer is there, dharma and adharma will come. When Nachiketa is asking the question, what is beyond dharma and adharma? He is asking the question, tell me about that Atma, which is not doer. Aha, 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 aha. And also that Atma, which is beyond pap and punyam. Dharma and adharma means beyond pap and punyam and that which is beyond doer. I hope you are clear. One set. So there is an Atma which is not the doer. No. Why? Because doer is modifying, it dies away. But Atma doesn't die away. Atma is not the doer. If Atma was the doer, when you stop working, Atma will die away. But when you are not doing, still Atma is there. That means Atma was not the doer. It is the seer of all doers. Atma is the seer of all doers. This is the first part of his question. Second part. What is other than cause and effect? Your answer should not be in your mind. It should be, when I ask, it should be not on the tongue. Tip of the tongue. Tip of the tongue. I'm not able to write. Okay, what is beyond cause and effect? Ab dhyan dena. Please be careful. This body is an effect or a cause? Effect and cause both. It is the effect of the past birth and it will be the cause of the next birth. Oh, yes, you're right. Achha? Okay. Something is changing, something is going to become because I did some action. Yes. So when I say, tell me what is beyond the cause and effect, actually I am wanting, tell me what is that which is not having a body. Action is a cause or effect? Cause. Action is a cause. Why? Because I am now donating rice every day. Every day I am donating rice. And I have made the project name Rice and Rise. Rise by donating rice. This is my project name. When I go and I offer rice, this action I am doing, very good action. It will give me big fruit. I will become richer person. I will become nobler person. I will take next birth. When it is said, which is not cause and effect, Yamadharmaraja Gurudev, please tell me which is not body and not action and not mind. So your mind is cause or effect? Mind is cause or effect? Both. Why? Because what you did in the past made your mind. Your mind is dependent on what you did in the past only, no? No. Supposing in the past you did very good actions. You did chanting every day. You were Guru Bhakt in the last birth. In the last birth, you were a devotee of some teacher, some saint you were supposing there. So you had already lot of faith in your. Now this person who will see, he will never be taught to be Guru Bhakt. From the beginning only he will just see and he will be totally surrendered. Why? He already has that thought of Guru Bhakti. उसको जरूरत नहीं, he does not need to chant Guru Paduka Stotram and then he will have Guru Bhakti. उसके automatically one day he will totally be surrendered. He said, I'll give my life. My every breath, my every movement should be for my Guru Bhakti only. He need not go and do something to learn Guru Bhakti. He will have automatically. So this mind is also a effect. And now with the mind it is doing, it will become a cause. So that means my second question is, what is beyond body, what is beyond mind, what is beyond action? Acha, this world is a cause or effect? Is an effect also and is a cause also? What is beyond world also? Okay. This you are not told, many things you are telling in the Katha which we are not told in the course of it. Yes. Now third set. Anyatra bhutacha bhavyacha. What is beyond? Past and present. Oh, beyond past and present. Yes. Beyond past and present. What is meaning of beyond past and present? You know, this body is there. It modifies and becomes past. 1 year, but 10-year body was different because that had modified. So what is beyond past and present means, tell me that which has no modification. Well, so much intelligent this boy is. Earlier I thought he had only dispassion, but he is quite intelligent also. So three points in the question. I am repeating quickly. Which is not a doer, number 1. Number 2, which is not having, which is beyond body, mind, action and world. And number 3 question. Actually it is one question put in, rephrased in 3 ways actually. And what is beyond modification? Very important question. Yat tat pashyasi. What you know and you see, tad vad. Please tell it to me. When I read all these things, I feel so happy, I can't tell you. I hope you also will be happy. ये अच्छा क्वेश्चन. And there he said in 1.1.20, what was the question there? Tell me, what is the nature of Atma? There he straight away told, but here is more clarifying his question now. So 1.1.20 and 1.2.14 is same question of Nachiketas. And Yamraj must have smiled. After this, Nachiketa won't talk. This is the last time he is talking. After this, Vedanta will start, and now Yamadharmaraj will going to answer this question. No praise, nothing. He will just enter into the topic now. A beautiful portion is there which is awaiting you, and I pray to Lord that you will revel only. So don't worry. Nothing difficult. Was it difficult? No. Simple. Just think over it. Make it your own. Don't see the things as objectively. Make it subjective. Don't think you are reading any book. You are reading about yourself. When you read physics, chemistry, that element you are not. You are reading about calcium. You are reading about phosphorus. You are reading about benzene, hydrochloric acid. You are not hydrochloric acid, although tongue is acidic. But that you are not. But here what you are reading about, it's seeing the mirror. You are about yourself subject is going on. You are the one who are beyond doer. You are the one which is not having action, body, world, etc. You are the one which is beyond the modification. And what is that I, real I? What is my real I? That is my nature. Because every time, sometimes I am happy, sometimes sad. Who am I? Am I really happy? I'm really sad? I'm really lazy? Who am I in my real I? This is the crux of the question. Now we will enter into it from tomorrow morning.